Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 11.4 question number 11. Question number 11 you see here. Find the area of the quadrilateral ABCD. A, B, C, D. Here AC is given 32 cm, that is A to C is 32 cm. BM is 3 cm and DN is 3 cm. And BM is perpendicular on AC and DN is also perpendicular on AC, right? Now, first of all, we have to find the area of quadrilateral ABCD. We can find the area in this way, that area of quadrilateral ABCD A, B, C, D is equal to area of triangle ABC and area of triangle ADC. That is area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC. We know that area of a triangle is half base into height, that is half 1 by 2 into B, that is base, into height, that is h. This is B and this is height, half base into height. So we are getting area of triangle ABC. Here you see, this is the triangle ABC. This is the base of the triangle. Base is 22 cm and height is BM, that is it is 3 cm. That is half base into height. Half base is 22 and height is 3. Here you see, this is 3 plus area of triangle ADC. In this case ADC, here you see the base is AC and the height is DN. Therefore half base into height, half base is 22. Base is 22 into height. Height is 3 cm, that is 3. Or 202. Here 2 11 22. Here also 202. 2 11 22. Or you can find it here as 3 into 11, that is 33. 33 plus 3 11 33. 33 plus 33, that is equal to 66. The unit is centimeter square. Right? Therefore area of quadrilateral ABCD A, B, C, D is equal to 66 centimeter square. This is the answer of figure question number 2. Question number 11. Right? Now, dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.